I'm diving deep into the secrets of creating a 7-figure online course, and I challenge myself to uncover the hidden pattern that can make it happen. Creating a 7-figure online course is the holy grail of online entrepreneurship. It's a ticket to financial freedom, a chance to make a real impact, and live the life you've always dreamed of. But the reality is, it's not an easy feat. It takes a lot of hard work, dedication, and a deep understanding of what makes a successful online course. When it comes to creating an online course, many entrepreneurs struggle with content overload. They try to cram too much information into their course, thinking that more is better, but in reality, it's overwhelming for their students. Others struggle with audience engagement, wondering why their students aren't completing the course or taking action on what they're learning. And then there are those who struggle with marketing, trying to figure out how to get their course in front of the right people and convince them to buy. Another challenge many course creators face is trying to be everything to everyone. They try to create a course that appeals to a wide range of people, but in doing so, they end up creating something that doesn't resonate with anyone. And then there are those who get caught up in the technical aspects of course creation, getting bogged down in details like video editing and curriculum design. So how do you overcome these challenges and create an online course that truly resonates with your audience and generates 7-figure revenues? The answer lies in having a clear understanding of your target audience, structuring your content in a way that truly serves them, and leveraging marketing techniques that speak directly to their needs. It's about creating an online course that's not just informative, but transformative. The first step is to identify your target audience and understand their pain points, desires, and motivations. What are their biggest challenges, and how can your course help solve them? What are their goals, and how can your course help them achieve them? Once you have a deep understanding of your audience, you can start structuring your content in a way that truly serves them. This means breaking your content down into manageable chunks, creating a clear and concise curriculum, and using storytelling techniques to make your content more engaging and relatable. It's about creating an online course that's not just a collection of information, but a journey that takes your students from one place to another. In terms of marketing, it's about speaking directly to your audience's needs and desires. It's about creating a marketing message that resonates with them, and using channels like social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to get your message in front of the right people. It's about building a relationship with your audience, and creating an online course that truly delivers on its promise. So what's the hidden pattern or secret formula that successful course creators use to achieve 7-figure revenues? It's not a gimmick or a trick. It's simply a deep understanding of their audience, a willingness to serve them, and a commitment to delivering high-quality content and marketing. It's about creating an online course that truly makes a difference in people's lives, and being willing to put in the hard work necessary to make it happen. In summary, creating a 7-figure online course requires a deep understanding of your audience, a willingness to serve them, and a commitment to delivering high-quality content and marketing. It's not an easy feat, but with the right mindset and strategy, it's definitely possible. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more tips on online course creation, be sure to check out my next video.